Hi guys, in our last video we learned that how do we edit the alignment styles, labels, and in this video we will learn that how do we create the surface profiles. So let's start now. We have to create the surface profile. So first we have to go to in the this panels. Here you see create design, profile and section views. These two panels, here you can use here create surface profile is here. Profile creation tools, create best fit. This is many options are here. This all tools we use later. Now we want to create the surface profile first. So you can create from here. Otherwise, you come to this panel and click just here or create profiles view from here. Anyway, you can choose. This is the same things. So for surface profile, we go to here. Okay, just click to here. Then this window will be open. Our alignment name is the railway. I think you know one or remember. And our surface name is the easy existing ground surface. So we have to add this surface in our profile. Already we add now. And draw in profile view. Click just here. Then this open. This window will again open. Here also showing the alignment names, profile name. You give to here the profile names. So I'm giving railway track profile. Okay. So here description. You can write anything if you want or if you like. Suppose about the alignment or this profile, you can write some things. Okay. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Okay. Then here nothing you have to change now. Go to next. Here also telling the alignment start and end. So here nothing you have to do. Next again. Here this should be automatic. If you want to change later, then you come to this panel and you can change again. So I will tell to you in this style. Next here you have no need to change the profile display option. Means after the create the profile how to it will look. So no need to change here. And go to next here data band. Leave it now. We will change in later. And next. Here you nothing change because we have only one our surface profiles. This we can use if you have two profiles like a surface profile and layout, then we can use this one. So later we will use this one also. Now just create profile view. Okay. Now it's see then down view origin, profile view origin is asking where you want to your this profile. So just I'm going to click here. The surface profile is ready now. You can see here surface. This is the our profile which we create alignment. That alignment area. If you go to this station 00, then you will get this much levels. And here higher levels come down. See, this is showing the ground levels here. Okay, you see now. This is the ground level here is showing. So profile is ready. This is the profile's name, the railway profile as a alignment name. And here you see the vertical elevations 188 and 190. It is the 189. It is showing the major elevations and here showing the major chainage and elevations. See this elevation here both are two showing 190.73 here 19.734 means here showing after the point the 3 digit here 2 digit but it is same. You can see these all are the same, both are here is the same here. So now our profile is the complete. Anyway, we have to change this here like the chainage, our elevations and other many things we have to show here and make a very good and look very nice profile. So we have to edit this the labels and also this labels. So these labels we are saying the bands in the civil 3D language saying bands. So these bands we will create, edit in the next video. New one will be created in the next video. This video is now is complete profile creation profile. So next video all we define these things and it will look very good for printout. So please you have to subscribe my channel so you will get the next video very soon, and like and even comment if you something not understood here. Okay, thanks for watching.